Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Hub Academy. Today we are going to talk about operating systems, or OS for short. These are like the brains of our computers and devices. Without them, our gadgets wouldn't know what to do. Let's dive in and see why they are so important. Why do we need an operating system? Every computer needs an operating system to work. It helps us communicate with the computer. This means that an operating system allows us to give instructions to the computer and get results. Without it, a computer is just a machine with no brain. This means the operating system makes the computer come alive and ready to help us with our tasks. What is an operating system? An operating system is a collection of software that manages a computer's hardware and applications by allocating resources, including memory, CPU, input devices, output devices, and file storage. In simple terms, an operating system is a group of special programs that manage everything inside the computer. It controls the memory, processor, keyboard, and even file storage. Examples of operating systems windows, common on desktop and laptop computers, brands like HP, Dell, and Lenovo. macOS, found on Apple laptops like MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. Android powers most smartphones and tablets from Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, and others. iOS, iPhone operating system, runs on iPhones and iPads. So no matter what device you use, it's running on some type of operating system. Main functions of an operating system controls hardware like the keyboard, mouse, etc. Manages memory so your computer doesn't get confused when many apps are open. Runs programs and apps. Handles files and folders by organizing them. Provides the user interface, the look and feel of your screen that lets you click, drag, and type. How operating systems look. Here are some examples of what different operating systems look like. Windows has a desktop with a taskbar at the bottom. macOS has its own style with a dock for apps. Even though they look different, they all help you do the same basic things, work, play, and connect online. Advantages of operating systems. Operating systems make the computer easy to use. Operating systems control all parts of a computer like the mouse and keyboard and ensure they work efficiently. Operating systems let us connect to Wi-Fi and the internet quickly. Operating systems protect the computer from viruses and bad software by checking apps and files, making sure only safe programs can come in and blocking viruses. Operating systems make it easy to save, find, and organize files. Operating systems allow many people to use one computer with their own accounts, files, and settings. Disadvantages of operating systems. Some programs and games only work on certain operating systems. For example, a Windows application may not work on a Mac. Some operating systems are targeted by viruses, especially Windows. These viruses can affect your computer through unsafe websites and untrusted downloads. If the operating system has a problem or crashes due to a virus, the whole computer stops working, which might lead to loss of your files. You must keep the operating system clean, updated, and protected. If you don't, it can get slow or have errors. Thank you for learning with Tech Hub Academy. Comment below if you have questions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next lessons, where we'll show you step-by-step how to install Windows 10 and 11 safely. Follow us on YouTube and TikTok for more tips and lessons. See you next time.